Apple is leaving China and moving to India, shifting production for the US market to India, and the ripples are being felt globally. For years, China was the undisputed king of iPhone production, but recent geopolitical storms and a desire for more secure supply lines are creating chaos in China. Factories that once hummed with Apple's orders are now facing uncertainty as production lines for the American market begin to relocate. This shift is causing disruption, potentially leading to factory adjustments and workforce realignments in key manufacturing zones. The once iron grip on a crucial part of the global tech supply chain is loosening. Meanwhile, in India, there is a palpable sense of Trump. India is celebrating this landmark move. In the current fiscal year ending March 2025, Apple is projected to manufacture iPhones worth around $22 billion right here. Significant portion of this, estimated at $17.4 billion, is destined for export, directly boosting India's revenue. This is a massive win for the Make in India initiative, validating the country's growing manufacturing capability. This influx of Apple's production for the US market promises new jobs, increased investment, and a strengthening of India's position as a global manufacturing hub. The cheers are echoing across industrial centers as India steps onto a bigger stage in the world of tech. For the United States, the move signifies a clear strategic pivot. The US is actively shifting its focus outside of China for critical supply chains. By diversifying production to countries like India, the aim is to build more resilient and secure access to essential goods. This isn't just about iPhones, it reflects broader strategy to reduce reliance on a single nation and mitigate geopolitical risk in the long term, prioritizing stability and supply chain security. Looking ahead, projections suggest that India could account for a substantial 26 to 30% of Apple's global iPhone production by 26-27, and in production value exceeding $34 billion. If the entire assembly for the US market indeed shifts to India by 2026, the financial impact here could be even greater. Apple's decision is more than just a change in factory locations, with billions of dollars in manufacturing value and export revenue already being generated in 2025, and even larger figures projected for the coming years. This move is a powerful indicator of shifting global dynamics, with China facing manufacturing turbulence, India seizing a golden opportunity, and the US charting a new course of its supply chain. What are your thoughts on this significant realignment and massive financial implications for India? How will this impact the future of tech manufacturing? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to OneStats and hit that bell for more crucial insights. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to OneStats for the news that matters.